Hi everyone, it's me Christine from Skin Institute. Today I'm talking to you about the Plexer. Again, why? Because this treatment is just so amazing. It's non-invasive, there's no cutting, bleeding, any injections or scalpels or stitches. There's an amazing treatment to do with dramatic results. But today I want to talk to you specifically about all the areas that you can treat. There's the non-surgical blepharoplasties that you do for heavy eyelids, which Dr. Duplessis specifically does, deep creases and wrinkles around the eyes, even baggy eyelids underneath the eyes. Then we can treat acne, post-acne scarring, you can treat even old stretch marks, you can treat with this Plexer machine as well. Then there's all the keloids, deep heavy scarring that we can treat, and there's a lot of other treatments which include lifting. So for small areas like a lower tummy area that you want to lift, we can do a skin firming tightening for that as well. So please come in for a non-invasive treatment with dramatic results.